So what's up YouTube? In this video, I will be showing you how to ice a cake with just your kitchen tools. No turntable, no palette knife, no scraper, nothing. Just a pair of kitchen knives and probably a spoon. Basically, just a pair of kitchen knives and a spoon. One pair of kitchen knives and a spoon. And a plate. I have no boards. I have no boards today. I just have a plate, a pair of kitchen knives, a spoon, and a plate, and like 2 layers of cakes. And as you can see, it turned out pretty well, pretty neat. This could be sent anywhere as a birthday cake, and the person will be really appreciative. I've even seen some professionals ice cake like this, and they just send it up and we're like, yeah, you're ordering a cake, you're not ordering a design. But then this video is for those of us that are at home that don't really have much to bake with. You can really do a lot with nothing. You can really do so much with the little you have. Yeah, basically. So without further much ado, let's head straight to the video. Peace. So what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be attempting to ice this cake without tools. Whether with knife and a spoon. I have a spoon here already. So with knife and a spoon. So I have my plain buttercream. I have my plates, normal house plates. Any plate can do. So I bring out the cake. Let me check if we can trim it. It's actually trimming quite well though. Let's see. It's actually trimming quite well though. Okay. So it's actually trimming quite well though. This video is just for all of you that are saying, oh no, I don't have to. I cannot decorate this cake as well as all these professionals. So I'm just using my normal kitchen knife. So see basically what I can do. If it's not picking, use your spoon, pick it and deposit it on your cake. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Drop your knife. Move on to the next one. So I'm just gonna be attempting to trim this cake a bit. Yes, that's good. So moving on, I will just be covering this cake the best way possible I can. I'm not trying to get a very neat, fine, seamless cake. I'm just trying to get a beautiful cake per se. So I'm just trying to get a well covered cake per se. Well covered cake. So I'll just take my buttercream, add to the top, because it's quite easier to pick from the top than from the bowl. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So just trying to cover it per se. If this stuff pop up in you switch to the bigger knife that has more. So basically, you have your covered cake, and you can just try and add, just make it as pretty as you can. Yes. Yes. Should we add designs? There are a lot of ways to add designs to this cake. I will start with using a spoon. I'm just gonna spoon to not really turn it well. So I'm just gonna try and smoothen all this and make the cake more presentable first. Yes. Then try and level it up. I think off the back, this is like a quite pretty cake. Simple design, simple plain cake. You could go ahead and add sprinkles. Sprinkles. You can get it from any of your local shops. Just add sprinkles and you call it a day on this. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Just a quick video on how to ice cakes without it's quite neat, you know. It's quite neat, you know. Ice this cake with just using knife and spoons. Literally just using knives and spoons. So I think we're gonna cut the cake, and here you have it. You could use for your younger brother, for your friend, your boyfriend. Just put this, wrap it up, and send to him as a surprise. He's gonna really appreciate it. So I think that brings us to the end of this video. Please, if this video was quite educative for you, just go to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.